Homepage. This is your homepage and the main things you're going to find in the page. So number one, you're gonna have announcements. Here is where your teacher is going to send you the most important information about your weekly activities and announcements that are important, such as closure, holidays, or anything else happening at the college. Number two, you probably have a picture, which is called a banner, that brings the name of your class. Number three, that's the navigation bar. Here you have the most important sections on your course, such as the home page, announcement, modules, your syllabus. You can check your grades. You can click here for student resources. Here is your course evaluation. If you have problems with your password or something else, you can contact the service desk. Number four, here on the right, you're gonna have the to-do list. So here you have a list of activities and when they have to be submitted. This information may vary a little bit, but you are going to have here the name of your instructor, the dates for the quarter, number 5, then number 6, you have here a short description for this course. Number 7, you have here the days of your classes or the time you have classes or the appointment days or office hours. This information may vary. You're gonna have also on this page the contact information, how to contact your teacher. Usually teachers prefer Canvas inbox, but can also be by email, and they may have a phone number as well. Number 9, you may have a Zoom link here on the page, and your teacher is also going to add a Zoom link here in the navigation bar. And in case you are meeting with your teacher, if your teacher has office hours, so that information is going to be on this page as well. Some teachers choose to list the modules on the home page. In our course, you have the modules on the home page, so that's number 11. We also have number 12, which is the course evaluation, specifically for this course, but you're gonna usually find the course evaluation information here in the navigation bar. Okay, so that's it about the home page. Thank you for watching.